In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up country-specific employee benefits using Oyster. If you're managing an international team or expanding into new markets, this feature is a game changer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tailor employee benefits for different countries with ease, making compliance and customization effortless. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can access Oyster completely free through the first link in the description, and with our exclusive bonuses, you're getting a deal that's hard to beat. Stick around because I'll also show you some tips on how to make the most of this software and how it can streamline your global operations. Oyster is an all-in-one platform that simplifies global hiring. And setting up country-specific employee benefits is one of its standout features. This means you can easily create customized benefits packages for employees based on the country they're working in, ensuring compliance with local laws while offering perks that attract and retain top talent. To get started, first you'll need to navigate to the benefits section in your Oyster dashboard. Once you're there, select the country where your employee is based. Oyster supports a wide range of countries, so you can choose from an extensive list depending on your team's locations. Once you've selected a country, you'll see a variety of benefits categories available, like health insurance, paid time off, retirement plans, and more. The beauty of Oyster is that it takes care of the legal requirements for each country, ensuring you're offering benefits that are in line with local laws and regulations. This is especially important as each country has different rules around benefits and compliance, and Oyster makes sure you stay up to date on those requirements. From here, you can customize each benefit to suit the specific needs of your team. For example, if your team member is based in the UK, you might choose a different healthcare provider than if they were in the US, reflecting the different systems in place. Oyster will show you all the available options, allowing you to select the best fit for each employee's location. If you're new to the platform, you'll also appreciate how easy Oyster makes it to manage multiple employees across different countries. You can add or adjust benefits on a per-employee basis, so if one employee has unique requirements, you can tweak their benefits accordingly without affecting the rest of the team. Once you've customized the benefits package for your employee, Oyster will automatically update their records, and they'll receive a detailed breakdown of their benefits. This means you won't have to worry about sending out confusing emails or manually tracking everything. Oyster automates the process, making it easy for everyone involved. But that's not all. Oyster also allows you to track benefit costs, compare packages, and adjust offerings as needed. This makes it easier to ensure that your benefits program remains competitive, sustainable, and compliant over time. Now, if you've been thinking about using Oyster for managing employee benefits globally, remember that you can get started with the software for free by clicking the first link below. Plus, with our exclusive extended trial, you'll be able to test out all of Oyster's features risk-free and see for yourself how it can revolutionize your global HR processes. So, to summarize, setting up country-specific employee benefits with Oyster is straightforward and efficient. It ensures you stay compliant with local laws, offers customizable options for your team, and automates the entire process. Don't forget to check out the first link below for a special extended free trial to Oyster. Take advantage of it while it's still available. Thanks for watching and happy global hiring.